And look at, oh wow, look at this. This is $77,000 a month. Do you want to find a profitable Amazon product that's going to make you over $10,000 a month? Make sure you keep watching. This is the #1 method that I've used to find my 10 products that I currently sell across the USA, UK, and Europe. So how do you go about finding these products? Well, let me explain it to you step by step. And if you don't know, this is your FBA star Vic, welcoming all new FBA stars to the channel. Make sure you smack that subscribe button and hit that bell icon so you get notified when I release new videos. Okay, let's jump right into it. Okay, so I've made it into 5 simple steps for you to find your product in 5 minutes. Now, step #1 is to get Jungle Scout. If you don't know what Jungle Scout is, hit the link in the description and get the cheapest version. You'll need the Jungle Scout web app, and you'll also need the Jungle Scout Chrome extension for this. Step #2 is to fill out this information in front of us and put in the filters. So within the Jungle Scout product database, we need to select some categories, put in some filters. So the categories I've selected are arts, craft and sewing, baby, home and kitchen, industrial and scientific, kitchen and dining, office products, patio, lawn and garden. Now the product tier is standard. We do not want to go oversized as it can get pretty expensive to try and store these products in Amazon's warehouse. Now the minimum price that we're going to be looking at is $15, ideally trying to sell our product for $20 by adding some value. The minimum revenue we're going to be looking at is $7,000 a month, so we know that we're able to make some money. The maximum reviews we're going to look at is 100 to make sure that we're able to compete in this market. Now, the weight we want to put in is 5 pounds. You can put a little bit more, you can put a little bit less, but I'd like to put in 5 pounds. I know that shipping can be relatively cheap with a product that weighs 5 pounds. And all you need to do is hit that search button and Jungle Scout will find products for you. So the second product here that I can see already is selling for $21.99. The weight of the product is under 3 pounds, which is great. There's only 87 reviews and they are selling 337 units a month, generating a revenue of $7,410. Now all you need to do is just open this up and it will open up in Amazon.com. And just before I go ahead, I just want to check, is this actually making sense? If this is making sense to you right now, make sure you write star in the comment section. Now the next step is to make sure that we go onto Amazon and we search a broad keyword term. Now I know that plastic silverware, or probably gold plastic silverware, is going to be one of the broadest terms to use. So all you need to do is open up Amazon.com and type in gold plastic silverware. It's the first one that comes up, which is great news. And step 4 is to run the Jungle Scout Chrome extension. So you hit the button and Jungle Scout will populate all of the information that's on this page, including the revenue, the reviews, the price, and the product name, etc. Now what we want to do is a little bit of analysis on this product. So what you can see here is the revenue first of all. Most of these are all over $7,000, which is brilliant news and is what we are looking for. Then we are going to look at the reviews. And within the reviews we can see a lot of the first top 10 are under 100 reviews. So you got 17, 62, 30, 38, 61. So what we can see here is this is a product that we would like to go for. And look at, oh wow, look at this. This is $77,000 a month with only 61 reviews. Let's actually take a look at this one over here. So as you can see, this person is selling a 300 pack of gold plastic silverware and is doing extremely well in selling this product. And it's as simple as that to find these products. I mean, there is so much revenue for the taking. If you just add all of these up, I'm sure it will add up to more than $250,000 in revenue just in the top 10 sellers. Now, if you want more information on how to analyze these numbers properly, make sure you download the PDF that I've got a link in the description for that will give you all of the information on exactly how to analyze all of this. Actually, let me show it to you. So it's the Amazon FBA 5 rules to find a profitable product to sell on Amazon. So make sure you grab a copy of your ebook now. Link in the description. Okay, so I hope this really made sense to you. Make sure you hit that like button if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't like it, smack that subscribe button because I have tons more tutorials being pumped out on a daily and weekly basis. Now before you go, are you going to actually use these steps? Let me know in the top right section of this video, yes or no. And lastly, I invite you to join our Amazon FBA Stars Facebook group and be part of the massively growing team. I will see you in the next video.